Make a great choice today with the 2014 BMW 2 Series. The BMW 2 Series is a powerful and fuel-efficient machine which comes with exceptional handling, high-quality interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist, regenerative braking system, ambient lighting, power brakes. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.